Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Luckily for this video, we don't have to do any of the research because I already know how to use these products. If your clothes are beating off water and it's pretty waterproof, just use a performance wash. But since I'm gonna try and remove some of these dirt stains with a stronger detergent, that's going to strip all of the DWR waterproof coating. So we will have to use the Direct TX after our wash. But first, let's take regular dish soap and give these a good wash. Okay, so unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna get the dirt stains out because this ski pants and ski jacket are over 10 years old and that might just be some permanent dirt. This is the dishwashing liquid I use from Costco. Next step is our Performance Wash Tech Wash. Here are the instructions. We need to do this in the laundry. Let's go wash. We are ready to use this now. Here are the directions. Make sure the garments are wet and hold about 6 inches away. Now we wait for a couple of minutes and I will wipe everything with a damp towel because I tend to oversaturate because I want to make sure all of the areas get the DWR. I just wiped everything down and we will let it air dry. Video number 209 done.